busy, occupied, happy, euphoric, sad, disheartened. Hello everyone, I am Vaishakhi and welcome to Learn English. In this lesson, we are going to learn some cool alternatives to some boring words. So let's start. Busy. I am busy today. No, we can use occupied. I am occupied today. Happy. My mood was happy. I was happy. No, you can use euphoric. My mood was euphoric. Sad. I am sad. I am very sad. I am disheartened. You can use disheartened instead of using sad. Small. The flat is very small. No, it's a very common use of English words. So we can use compact. The flat is compact. Large. The main bedroom is large. The main bedroom is very large. No, we can use enormous. The main bedroom is enormous. Funny. He is very funny in the film. He is very hilarious in the film. So we can use hilarious instead of using funny. Angry. He is very angry. He is very furious. We can use furious instead of using angry. Scared. I wasn't scared at all. We can use frightened instead of using scared. I wasn't frightened at all. Calm. The atmosphere was calm. We can use serene. The atmosphere was serene. Saw. I saw it. No, I noticed it. You can use noticed. Exciting. The story of the novel is very exciting. You can use thrilling. The story of the novel is very thrilling. Rich. It is a rich country. We can use opulent. It is a opulent country. Famous. He is a very famous doctor. We can use renowned. He is a very renowned doctor. Tired. The incident makes me tired. No, we can use exhausted. The incident makes me exhausted. Talk. I was fortunate enough to talk with her for some time. We can use converse instead of using talk. I was fortunate enough to converse with her for some time. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe this channel. We will meet soon with another topic. So till then, tata.